Do you expect Tyla to start fighting for Nigerians? Let's keep it aside. How many of Nigerian celebrities talk about what is happening in South Africa? May e no be say Peller marry Jarvis just because say she carry belle for am. Tyla's show in Lagos is going to be a sold out unless she cancel it. To me, if Wizkid perform at that price, I'd be like, what? Guys, welcome back. And hey, today we're going to talk about a lot of things. We're going to talk about Tyla, we're going to talk about Wizkid, we're going to talk about Peller and Jarvis. All these people on the same video today, so you better stay tuned because it's going to be lit. So let me start with let's talk about Peller and Jarvis first. We all know that the couples in town are right now enjoying their moment. The hottest couple at the moment. They are really killing it and everybody is saying, wow, something is happening. Number one, Jarvis is 25 based on reports. Peller 21 and they are getting married. My people, you know, in the African culture, this is like almost impossible. But these two people are proving to us that, yeah, everything is going to be possible in life if you just believe and work hard. And also, you know, Peller will be Muslim, now turned to Christian just to marry Jarvis. That one, thumbs up to Jarvis too. And then we talk about the way they handle things. Jarvis is mature. Jarvis is you know, calm, reserved. Peller, portable version too. All right, people, you already know what we're talking about. Right? Peller just said something which is, okay, let me just even correct myself. Peller allegedly said that Wizkid is going to be performing at his wedding with Jarvis for 5 million. People, remember Wizkid, Starboy, Wizkid of all people, to perform for 5 million. You know, when I saw this, I was like, I remember back then in 2014, 15, when Wizkid was like at his superstar level, when Wizkid was, you know, when he was a bit young, you know. Wizkid refused to perform at 10 million. At that time, that was more than 10 years back that we're talking about. And then Peller, who has been trying to meet Wizkid now, is coming to say Wizkid is performing at their wedding for 5 million. To me, it's like, hey, machala, the biggest bet. Wizkid can never perform at that price. In fact, even if it's his brother's wedding, I don't think Wizkid will perform for 5 million. You get what I'm saying? So, but Peller said, okay, we are waiting though. We are waiting. Anything can happen, you know, that's the thing. Anything can happen, but to me, I feel like Wizkid cannot perform 5 million. Though it wasn't a confirmed stuff, but I heard Peller posted something like that. And to you, what do you think? Wizkid, do you think Wizkid should perform at 5 million naira? Or is he supposed to perform? Or do you feel like he should give us a shocking moment? Like, oh, to me, if Wizkid perform at that price, I'd be like, what? A lot of things Wizkid missed, talk more of Peller's wedding. You know, Peller, they never even meet Wizkid first. Peller, you know, everybody knows Wizkid has been this person that Peller wanted to meet for long. But till today, Peller could not meet Wizkid. Today, we are coming to hear that Wizkid will perform free. Because that is free now. Flight, or more. Peller get mine. Anyway, what do you have to say about their wedding, their ongoing wedding? You already know Peller and Jarvis are right now having the good time of their life. We can see them even saying a lot of stuff. And what do you have to say pertaining that 5,000 naira jail, that 5 years jail that they were talking about? I heard Peller wasn't okay with that. Even Jarvis was not comfortable. She even have to make a video. What do you think about that? Do you think it's okay, like, for them to be talking about this kind of thing? And what is the most special thing you feel that, okay, Peller and Jarvis taught you, or what is the lesson, or do you think there is anything you are suspecting? For me, I have one thing. No, may not be say Peller marry Jarvis just because say she carry belle for am. Because issue day that they are blending, they are matchmaking. I know maybe the software match them, I be the process where they use match them issue dey sharp, but I no want talk. No be me go start am. But what do you feel about their wedding? All right, now let's head to the next biggest talk of town. Tyla just said she's going to perform in Nigeria. Her hip-hop tour. Tyla is a South African, and you all know now issues that came up between Nigeria and South Africa in the South African country. The killing, the issues that came up actually. So, and a lot of Nigerians are saying Tyla didn't say anything, Tyla didn't posted anything, she didn't interfere. Bro, is it our responsibility to fight for your country? I don't get it. Do you expect Tyla to start fighting for Nigerians? Let's keep it aside. How many of Nigerian celebrities talk about what is happening in South Africa? No. How many now? Think calm. Even Nigerian stars didn't talk, and nobody is dragging it too. Their problem is Tyla did not say anything, and that Tyla is not going to perform in Nigeria. Some are saying they should not even buy her ticket. Mark it today. Tyla's show is going to be a sold-out show. Write it. Like, find somewhere, talk, say, YolyBoy, don't talk am. Tyla's show in Lagos is going to be a sold out. Unless she cancel it. But if she choose to come, bro, me and you go sit, discuss. Someday say, okay, I talk am. You know why? Tyla have hit songs that is vibing, that is selling, that is currently, going very, very well in Nigeria. One. For her to even choose Lagos, you already know that Tyla knows what she's doing. They have their metrics, they have their statistics, they have their analytics. They know who and who are listening. And to me, I feel like Tyla coming to Lagos is going to prove something. Like, okay, we can attract other performers from other global stars, and it's going to sell Lagos the more. That's what I feel like. Let's keep this issue of the problems between Nigeria and South Africa aside. This has been going on for years, like years. But I feel like we should not let that, become a problem to creativity. Another thing I want to really put out is, if you look at Tyla's career, like Tyla has been one of the artists that a lot of Nigerian stars, a lot of African stars has been having issues with. She don't do African collaborations. She don't do, partnership with a lot of African stars. And to me, I feel like of all the stars that came out of Africa, Tyla has the most challenging, and she has the most very, very unfortunate state. She faced a lot of situations. And then one thing I want you to understand is through all those things, Tyla still stood out strong. And I'm not saying it's okay that the South Africans treated Nigerians that way, but I'm just saying that, man, don't just underestimate the power of that girl is too wrong. But anyway, what do you think? Are you going for the show? Are you supporting Tyla to perform in Nigeria or not? Are you supporting that we stop buying her ticket? Do you think she's worth that kind of punishment? Sorry, poor Tyla. I can feel it in your vein. It's moving, but I know it's music. Music at the end of the day is going to speak for itself. So people, what do you think? But anyway, it's YolyBoy right here. I always bring to you discussions, fresh, sweet talks every day. And what do you have to say about Peller Jarvis marriage? The court marriage that just took place. What do you have to say about that? And also, what do you have to say about Wizkid performing at their show for 5 million? Woo! All right, and then what do you have to say about Tyla performing in Nigeria? You know what I'm saying? In Lagos City for her hip-hop tour. But I feel like we shouldn't attack the young lady because of what we have, personal, democratic or political issues. We shouldn't attack that girl. Let her shine. It's her time. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, it's up to you. I see you up, man. I see you up. Comment in the section below. Subscribe. And also stay tuned. It's YolyBoy. I love you all.